stop using ChatGPT like a normal chatbot. Here are 5 powerful ChatGPT features you probably didn't know about. First, before starting, comment, and subscribe to this channel. You can install ChatGPT on your computer and work with files directly from your desktop. Instead of constantly uploading files, you can let ChatGPT help you analyze and manage your documents faster. Second, upload your documents and ask ChatGPT to create a professional presentation. It can turn your reports, PDFs, and notes into organized slide content in minutes. Third, connect apps like Gmail and ask ChatGPT to find and summarize your most important emails. No more spending hours searching through your inbox. Fourth, use scheduled tasks in ChatGPT to automate reminders and recurring tasks. You can tell it when you need something done, and it will remind you automatically. And fifth, use ChatGPT to organize your messy desktop. It can help you sort files, create better folder structures, and make your workspace cleaner. These features can completely change the way you use ChatGPT. Which feature are you going to try first?